when you find the probability under a curve in a proportion problem, you use normal CDF. I know you're right. Yes, that is the same thing as normal distribution, except the only difference is you don't see a mean, you don't see a standard deviation. You will see a sample proportion, which is p hat equals to the number of success x divided by the sample size n. So this one at this point, you must be very familiarized with the normal CDF. So you go to second and then you go to vars, you find normal CDF in the newer calculator. They will show you a menu, the lower limit, the upper limit, the mean, and the standard deviation. But for the older calculator, you will see the normal CDF command on the home screen. So once you hit normal CDF, they will say normal CDF, and then they will have a open parenthesis for you, and then you have to enter the command in highlight yourself. So the older calculator, you have to input those four numbers and then separate them using a comma. In the newer calculator, the menu, they will separate the numbers for you. So there are two commands that you can use in a probability problem. The first command is look at the green command. The green command is you perform the standardization yourself, and then you use the normal CDF to find the area under the curve for you. So for that normal CDF, the lower limit and the upper limit, they are z. Okay, they are all z. And then the mean is equals to 0. Standard deviation is equals to 1 because you perform the standardization. So in a standard normal distribution, the mean is equals to 0. The standard deviation is equals to 1. The blue command is the shortcut if you start straight from the proportion. So you obtain a proportion, sample proportion from the problem statement, and you do not want to perform the standardization. All right, then you put the lower proportion and the upper proportion to the command, and then the mean, you don't say 0. The mean, you input the population proportion p, and then the standard error, you hit the square root of p times 1 minus p divided by n. So the blue command, that you use the blue command if you do not want to perform the normal standardization. You pick up a sample proportion straight from the problem and then plug it into the formula and then get the probability straight from that command. The green command, you have to do more work. You have to do the normal standardization first, and then you put the z on the command. The mean is 0. The standard deviation is 1. Which one do you have to use? Well, on the test, let's say on a test, multiple choice, you do not need to show any work. Of course, I recommend the shortcut command, the blue one. But if you are doing a test where you have to show all the work on a piece of paper and you are required to draw a graph and then write the command out, then you have to follow the green command. All right, so that is your choice. Are you taking a on paper exam, or you are taking a multiple choice exam, online exam? You know better than I do, so I leave that decision to you. So that is the end of this video. In the next video, I will give you a comprehensive example that give you an opportunity to practice using this command and practice how to standardize a sample proportion. All right, I see you all in there. As always, if you think my instruction is helpful, let me know in the comment section below. Like the video, share the video for me, subscribe to my channel. Appreciate your help. I see you all in the comprehensive example. Signing off for now.